All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get reward back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about a cryptocurrency that's around $23,000. Yeah, Bitcoin's higher. I don't know of any other ones that are higher than this. And it's called Yearn Finance, YFI cryptocurrency. It's now traded on Binance.us, so it's just got launched a few days ago on Binance.us. We know what happens when it gets launched on one, then it goes to the second Binance, but it's on Binance.us. All kinds of crazy stuff going on. It's down right now a little bit. It could be a discount buy, but again, for a cryptocurrency to be around 23,000, we need to talk about this. Also, 3 reasons why the cryptocurrency market is crashing that brought Bitcoin down to under 50,000. We're going to give you 3 reasons why crypto is crashing right now. And then, since it's Sunday, Tom Brady's been talking about what he's getting into, cryptocurrency. So we're going to talk about that today. On Sundays, we like to talk about Tom getting into crypto because he's letting every football fan know across the country about cryptocurrency. Thank you, Tom Brady. Totally appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All our information on the channel is for educational purposes only. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Yearn Finance, YFI. Holy smokes, everybody. This cryptocurrency is the 101 cryptocurrency on the planet. And look at that, $23,546 is this token. I mean, literally, we have to talk about this because this is a token that's over already 23,000. And now take a look to the right. It's down 17%. Discount buys, buying the dip, whatever you want to call it. Right now, this could be a good thing. This may be the first time you're putting this on your radar. That's why we're bringing you this video. This is a bonus video, too, today on Sunday. Basically, wanted to bring this. 23,000? Over to the right here, the coin is down about 2.79% in the last 24 hours. Yearn Finance right over here to the left. Take a look in the last 7 days. It was a little bit higher, and then it just drastically dropped off the table here. Taking a look, it drastically dropped off the table, and now it's bouncing back up. What is this token? What does it do? I think this is a pretty good explanation. Yearn Finance is an aggregator service for decentralized finance investors using automation to allow them to maximize profits from yield farming. Its goal is to simplify that every expanding DeFi space for investors who are not technically minded and who wish to interact with a less committed manner than the serious traders. So it sounds like they have a nice software and platform that makes it easier for people that want to get in crypto, but they're not a serious investor. Let's go on and read a little bit more. Launched in February of 2020, the service formerly known as Yearn has seen huge growth in recent months as the product debut developed release in the house token YFI. What makes Yearn Finance unique? Yearn Finance sets out to simplify DeFi investments and activities such as yield farming for a broader investor sector. The platform uses tools to act as aggregators for DeFi protocols such as Curve, Compound with AAVE, bringing those who stake crypto to the highest possible yield. New features continue to be rolled out, these aiming among the others to help preserve the long-term value of the platform. The Yearn Finance makes a profit by charging withdrawal fees at currently about 0.5% by the end of September 2020, as well as a 5% gas fee due to the governance model. This can technically be changed by census at any time. The target market of yield finance is investors who do not have the increasing complex DeFi space. All right, let's head over to the website. Over here at the website, yearn.finance, kind of an interesting website. It says, welcome to Yearn home screen. There are many like it, but this is yours. You can always return here for a bird's eye view of your holdings. The cards below show you the total balance of your wallet and the holdings of the performance of every earned product you use. Not sure where to start? Click the vault on the left to navigate. We're going to do that in a second. Beta no longer. Yearn V3 beta site now has moved into production. It adds deposit simulations, Iron Bank functionality, a new lab section, themes, and more will continue to be added features to fix every week. So it sounds like what I'm looking at this, you're going to put your investments in here and you're going to have like a dashboard to check it out. Let's go to look at vaults. Okay, right here you look at the highest APYs. SYX has a 87.51% APY. Sushi has a 50.62% APY. And Curve right here has a 36% APY. You can kind of move it over. You click it and it kind of tells you the Curve token, kind of what the stats are. I'm going to hit back real quick. Right here, there's no wallet connected, so you need to connect your wallet. And then obviously right here, take a look. 87% APY, 50%, 36%, 22%, all kinds of good stuff, 15%. So taking a look at all this, click to the left, you got the Yearn Bank. Your wallet is not connected, so you got your Yearn Bank to the left here. Let your crypto work for you. Yearn Bank offers a simple way to get exposure to new tokens. Borrow using the crypto as collateral without having to sell. Didn't find the right vault for your token? Supply them to Yearn Bank and earn more crypto. Remember, even with the simple tools like Yearn Bank, smart contract risk, up to the top right here, we would connect our wallet, we could connect, and as normal, you got your MetaMask you can connect, your Ledger, your wallet connection. Jumping over here, YFI is now listed on Binance.us, will list Yearn. Binance USA will list Yearn.finance, and will open trading on December 2nd. So it's already happening, everybody. So you can actually go get your YFI today. So kind of going through that, Binance.us, you can get YFI today. I just think if there's another cryptocurrency that's over 20,000, you got to take a look at it. You got to do your research. I mean, Bitcoin may have a competitor in the future. I mean, it's the only one. I mean, Ethereum's number 2 at 4,000, 4,300, but there ain't nothing else at 20,000, is there? I mean, leave your comments in the bottom if there is. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. What we're going to talk about right now is 3 reasons why Bitcoin was drugged down to under 50,000. What's going on with this cryptocurrency crash? Why is it crashing? Right here on Yahoo Finance, 3 reasons behind the crypto crash that drugged Bitcoin below 50,000. All right, so let's take a look. Number 1 is the Feds. The Feds are bringing it down. Investors are getting worried about certain things. They're talking about this and that. So the Feds. Number 2 is COVID. I mean, a lot of things are going on right now. COVID is just the different strands of it. People are worried about things. Things are getting shut down again. So people that are investing in the cryptocurrency, they may pump the brakes a little bit. They may be nervous. They may want to hold on to their money because they don't know what's going to happen. Uncertainty will bring that. So you got the Feds, you got COVID. Number 3, the holidays, the season holidays. Also, 'tis the season. Many investors are seeing the year winding down and looking to lock in the gains that they take off the table. Well, last year at this time, Bitcoin was around 29,000 and it's up 66%. So even though Bitcoin is down today, since last year at this time, it's up 66%. Where do you think this money goes? Well, people will take it off the table because investors say to themselves, I'm going to put my money in January, and at the end of the year, I'm going to take my money out, no matter what happens, whatever their strategy is. So Bitcoin was at 29,000 last year. 1 year later, it's over 50 or 48,000. There's a 66% gain. Guess what? Investors are taking their profits off the table, and they're locking it in. So you're going to see people taking money off the table. Even though you think Bitcoin is down, it's not down from 12 months ago. It's gigantically up. So those are 3 reasons why cryptocurrency is down. And when you see Bitcoin go down, you see a lot of other things go down. So there could be a lot of cryptocurrency investors taking all their gains off the table or taking half of it or 25%. Well, when they take that money out of the market, then the market's going to go down a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel, obviously, is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. Everything is for educational purposes only. Last thing, let's talk about Tom Brady pumping the cryptocurrency, what he's getting into. He's going to tell all the football fans today about cryptocurrency on Sunday.
Can I talk to you about something?
We talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hey, yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in. I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would. Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto with FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
So there's Tom Brady. He's going to be pumping it all day long and on Monday Night Football what he's getting into. He's getting into cryptocurrency. He has another advertisement out there that says he's doing a trade, and everybody gets all nervous, like, oh, he's coming to Denver. He's coming back home to New England. He's coming. And he goes, No, I'm doing a cryptocurrency trade. And then everybody's like, no, he's not coming here. He's not coming here. Hey, either way, everybody's hearing about cryptocurrency. Thank you, Tom Brady. Let's go ahead and head back over to Yearn Finance. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. So again, 23,900. This coin has bounced up a little bit. It's only down 16% right now. What's my price prediction? I think it's actually going to get back to that $25,000, $26,000 here. Now, again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but this could be the good time for that discount buy. El Salvador loves to buy the dip with Bitcoin. We hear about it all the time on Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving. So buying discount buys, buying the dip is fantastic. Remember, all the information is for educational purposes only. This is a coin you definitely want to be tracking. I mean, it's $23,000, this coin. What if this coin goes up to Bitcoin, 50,000, 60,000, 100,000 in the future? Who knows? Cryptocurrency is a wild ride. So with that YFI being traded on Binance.us, this is gigantic. People can buy the coin today. Go to Binance.us. So give us your thoughts in the bottom, what you think. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Every day, Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 to 4 o'clock. Sometimes we'll bring you a bonus video. This is one of those bonus videos. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day. Today's Sunday night.